Hi, today's tip is how to use Kaffir lime leaves. Now, when you buy these leaves from the market, they come like this. You have to watch out, they've got very sharp thorns here, and they usually come in pairs like this. And when my recipe says X number of lime leaves, I mean a lime leaf. Strangely, I'm doing classes for the last 8 years, and today I'm saying this to everyone. Anyway, now, when you want to use these, one way of using them is just tear. You can tear them like this to release flavors and throw them in your soups and curries. Now, they can't be eaten. They have to be treated like bay leaves, just to add aroma to your curries and soups. And the other way is to shred them like this, and then you can add them to your salads or as garnishes. They can even be fried crispy and added to dishes. I hope this tip is useful. I'll be back with some more tips like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share.